Oops, I almost forgot. I gotta tell you about the cutest animals ever. First up, the quokka. They call it the happiest animal because it always looks like it's smiling. This little guy lives in Australia. Next, check out the red panda. It's super fluffy and loves to climb trees in the Himalayas. And guess what? It eats bamboo. Now get ready for the fennec fox. Its ears are huge, like bigger than its head. It needs those big ears to stay cool in the desert. Have you heard of the axolotl? It's a salamander from Mexico that can grow back its arms and legs. Plus, it always looks like it's smiling. And who could forget the koala? This cuddly creature lives in Australia and loves to eat eucalyptus leaves. It sleeps like 18 hours a day. Last but not least, the pygmy goat. These little goats love to jump and climb. They're so playful. There you go, 6 of the cutest animals in the world. Which one do you like best?